Welcome to the channel. Today, we're extending freshness and fighting food waste as we seal in the goodness with the top 5 best vacuum sealers, essential for bulk buying, meal prepping, and keeping your food fresh for longer. I've put these machines to the test, evaluating their suction power, sealing consistency, ease of use, and versatility with both dry and moist foods. For all the up-to-date pricing and detailed information on each model, simply check the description below. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our future kitchen gadget reviews. Let's get started with number 5 on our list. Number 5. Vacuum Sealer's Unlimited Vacuum Sealer. Keep your food fresher, longer with this advanced handheld vacuum sealer. Designed with a detachable transparent filter tank, it efficiently blocks liquids like juices and blood water to prevent damage and simplify cleanup. Perfect for sealing both wet and dry foods such as meats, fruits, vegetables, and snacks. Thanks to its patented auto pressure release function, vacuuming is entirely hands-free, no need to pull or lift. The vacuum sealer calculates vacuuming time and releases automatically for effortless use. Preserve your food up to 5x longer and reduce waste, whether you're meal prepping, storing leftovers, or using sous vide. It comes with 30 reusable, BPA-free vacuum bags, 15 small and 15 medium, and 4 sealing clips. These durable bags are freezer and microwave safe, leak-proof, and washable. Compatible with most vacuum bags, containers, mason jars, and even wine bottles, this multi-purpose sealer is your all-in-one solution for efficient home or travel food storage. Number 4. Pukix Vacuum Sealer Machine. Seal freshness in and keep waste out with the Pukix 8-in-1 Vacuum Sealer Machine, designed to extend food life by up to 10x. With one-touch control and dedicated dry and moist modes, you can easily preserve meats, seafood, fruits, vegetables, nuts, chips, and more. The included vacuum hose works with jars, wine bottles, and storage bags for maximum versatility. Featuring an upgraded 80 kPa suction powered by a pure copper DC motor, this sealer removes air in just 10 seconds, locking in flavor and nutrients fast. The built-in bidirectional bag cutter and internal storage keep your kitchen tidy and your sealing process efficient. Seal multiple bags at once with the 12-inch heating strip, capable of 70+ continuous seals. A removable silicone gasket ensures durability and easy cleaning, while the stainless steel and ABS exterior adds a sleek, easy-to-wipe finish. Pukix is your all-in-one solution for food preservation and kitchen convenience. Number 3. Empson InstaSeal Vacuum Sealer. Keep food fresher, longer with the compact and powerful InstaSeal Vacuum Sealer Machine. Designed with convenience in mind, this space-saving upright vacuum sealer fits easily on your countertop or in a cabinet, measuring just 5 inches by 5 inches by 9 inches. Seal in freshness and flavor with a powerful double seal, no-leak design that prevents spills and protects food from freezer burn. Whether you're preserving meats, veggies, soups, or leftovers, InstaSeal helps you extend shelf life and reduce food waste. With one-touch vacuum functions located conveniently on top, operation is simple and intuitive, perfect for both beginners and seasoned meal preppers. Buy in bulk, prep ahead, and save time and money while locking in nutrients and taste. Each kit includes the InstaSeal machine, user manual, power cord, and 12 pre-cut vacuum bags. Everything you need to get started right away. Streamline your kitchen routine with InstaSeal, freshness made effortless. Number 2. LKNC Vacuum Sealer. Take control of food freshness with the LKNC 6-in-1 Vacuum Sealer, designed to lock in flavor and extend shelf life up to 8x longer. Featuring a real-time digital countdown display and powerful 75 kPa suction, it completes vacuum sealing in just 10 seconds, saving you time, space, and money. With versatile functions including moist/dry modes, vac seal, seal only, external VC for jars and wine, a built-in bag cutter, and a stop button for full control, it's built for everything from meal prep to bulk storage. The 11.8-inch sealing strip allows for sealing multiple bags at once, while the compact 15 design fits easily into drawers or cabinets. Made of easy-to-clean ABS plastic, this sealer is both sleek and practical, Your starter kit includes 10 heat seal bags, an external air hose, extra gasket, and more. 4 professional-grade sealing at home. Trust the LK&C Vacuum Sealer. Number 1. Kikiob Vacuum Sealer Machine. Experience next-level food preservation with the 10-in-1 vacuum sealer machine, engineered for versatility and power. With customizable modes including dry, moist, and extra moist plus adjustable pressure, you can seal everything from delicate fruits to juicy meats with precision. The powerful 95 kilopascals double pump delivers airtight seals in just 8 to 18 seconds, 50% faster than standard models. Built for convenience, the handle's design lets you secure the lid with one hand, while the double heat sealing and 12 mm wide strip ensure every seal is ultra-secure. Store your bag rolls neatly with the built-in storage and cutter, monitor progress with a real-time countdown display, and enjoy hassle-free cleanup thanks to the removable drip tray. Ideal for bulk storage, sous vide cooking, or everyday freshness, this sealer handles it all: fast, strong, and smart. Seal smarter. Store longer. Waste less. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below.